I wake up every minute with the fever dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to be.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, I feel like I haven't posted a video in forever. So we're just gonna jump right into today's video. And this is a very simple style. I really don't know what to call it, but the inspiration came from the rubber band hairstyles that I have been seeing all over the place, and I also wanted to challenge myself because for most of the videos that I've watched or from the pictures that I've seen, it has always been with the box parts. But you know me, I like to stand out, I like to be different, and so I decided to take things up a notch and do triangle parts, and I love triangle parts, by the way. So this video, is for those persons who they're always asking, how do you part the back of your hair? Well, I'm showing you in this video. So I'm gonna stop blabbing for a minute, just so you can watch.
You see hate themselves in society, so I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't never say never, and turn your mind into the truest of go-getters.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know
I use a mirror to help me with my parting, and at other times I just don't use it. Because I've been doing my own hair for a very long time. So, it's just something that I'm used to. And I don't know like how to explain it, but if I make a part and it's not straight, then I can just feel it.
I don't complain, just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
This is not a break in transmission. This is your chance to like my video. So after I finished parting the entire back section of my hair, I just started to plait them and connect them into each other, as you can see I'm doing here. Now there is no specific pattern, I was just freestyling. As you can see, I'm not using the mirror. But one important thing to note, you guys, when you're using rubber bands to do any hairstyle, please dip them in oil or Vaseline. What this does is that it prevents the rubber band from pulling your hair out. If you choose to do the style, you can make it your own, make it unique. Or if you want to do the same one, then hello, by all means, go ahead.
Since my hair got cut and dyed, I've had 7 days since I tried to rip a chapter out my mind. I've tried, and his laugh is just as soft as yours, smiling just as wide. He could be what I like, and his voice is just as dark as yours, freckles just as light. Could be what I desire. Still feels like my hands are tied, hands are tied, hands are tied. Cause he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes. And he could be what I like, what I like, what I like. But he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes.
Finally, the rubber bands are all in, and this is the juicy part because this is the part where all the hairstyle comes together. And I'll be using the 50-inch expression braiding hair, and this is pre-stretched. I have to say kudos to expression for this hair because it was so smooth, like you could see the expression on my face as I was combing through because it was just so easy, and it made the style even more easier for me because of that. And what I used there was my hair polisher. I use it just to add a bit of shine.
His voice is just as dark as yours, freckles just as light. Could be what I desire. Still feels like my hands are tied, hands are tied, hands are tied. Cause he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes. And he could be what I like, what I like, what I like. But he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes.
After I attach the expression hair and I start plaiting, like that's just it. All I did after I was finished with the plaiting was that I added some gold strings. You know I love me some gold strings. And my edges, of course. Today's video, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you loved it, and I know that you enjoyed this video, so please go ahead to leave a like and leave me a comment down below.